Today we are going to learn how to change your entire dashboard theme with one click. Okay, what if you could change your entire dashboard, entire Power BI dashboard theme with just one click, and a click button like no switch theme, and no redesigning, no rebuilding, just one click, and entire theme will be changed. Okay, so let's implement the logic how to do this. Okay, so I'm going to resize this so that there will be a space, little bit space to implement the logic. Okay, and here also done. Here I want to put one button that would control the switch theme functionality. Okay, so first thing first is that I have created a table. I have created the table where I have mentioned theme, then background, text color, and border color. Okay, so here you could see this is the dark color, and this is the teal color, this is the text color and border color. Okay, if you want, we are going to copy this, and after copying, what we have to do, we have to click on enter data. Why enter data? Because we want to create a separate table where where we want to store this data. So I'm going to mention switch theme table. Okay, now click on switch theme only, not table. Now click on load, but before click on load, we have to put the values here likewise, and then click on load. So once you click, then what will happen, that separate table will be created here, right side here, and value will be stored. Okay, so now you will observe, so here you could see this switch theme table is created, and same headers are reflecting background, border color, text color, and theme. Right now what we have to do, next insert, and then shape, and this rectangle shape we are going to select, and this is selected here. Right now next thing is that we have to click on this. Let's click build, sorry, and click on slicer. Okay, so this slicer I'm going to put this here. Okay, now I'm going to select theme. Okay, so this is done. Now select the shape and click on format, and then click on shape and style, and we have a fill, so we have to expand this, and we have FX button, so I'm going to click on this. Now here we are going to select fill values, then we have switch theme tables, and then we have background colors. Right, we have background colors. Under theme what comes, like dark and teal, under background color dark color code, and theme teal color code comes. So we have to select background, and then click on OK. So this is done. Now slicer is added. Okay, you could see this slicer is added. So before that, one more step is there, format, and click on send to back. This is for the shape. Now what we are going to do, let's copy this, let's expand it overall dashboard. Okay, done. Click outside, and now let's do the formatting for this. Okay, so slicer setting, by default there should be one selection, and this is vertical, so let's make it tile. Okay, likewise. Okay, so now what we are going to do, okay, so we'll do the formatting later on. Tile, then slicer header it is on, so let's make it switch theme. Now formatting this 12 is okay, bold, okay, black. So this is done. Right now if I click here, so you will observe that background color should be changed. By default it is selected as 1, so I'm going to click on teal, so background color has been changed. Okay, now how to implement this one. Once again, we can say we can choose the background color. So I'll go ahead and I'll say background off, so by default it will be applied. Here also we can go ahead and we can say background off. See this, it is applied. Here also we can go ahead, we can say off, background off. Here also background of, here also background of, here also we can go ahead and we can say background of. We'll do the color formatting now, because when we are selecting the background colors, automatically text color will not be visible. Okay, so we'll have to work upon this. Now if I go ahead dark, see this switch theme functionality is implemented, right? Now we have to work upon text colors. Okay, so what we are going to do, okay, so let's select this visual, and just in disable this, and here also you could see this text color is there, right? So we can select that one, or else we can implement our own white text color, because since in dark we have used dark and teal color, so if I put white it would be visible. Okay, so if I say white color code white, see this, it is visible. So similarly we can change it, or from here also we can select, but this color code would be different. Let me show you how to do this. You can go ahead here, fill value, and then we have a switch theme, so we have to select text color. Okay, and now click on OK. So see this region is reflecting. If I go ahead with dark, then also it is reflecting. So that we can do it. Okay, that we can do it. Let's implement the same logic everywhere. Here also I am going to select the same color code, fill value, switch text color. Okay, done. Now this is for, let's go for y-axis. Similar activity we have to do it. Okay, fx, fill value, switch theme, not background, text color. Okay, text color, done. Now for the title also we have to perform the same activities. Okay, so I'm going to select this, fill value, and then a switch text color implemented. Now we have the border color as well, so we can select the border color as well. So let's select that one also. Okay, so we can go ahead here, size and style, and we have it a border, visual border. So we can go ahead here, fx button. Now let's select fill value, this switch theme, and we have border color. Okay, so everything is implemented here, right? Now here title also, title, so we can change the title color. Let's go for fx, fill value, text color, done, right? Now let's copy this format, copy, paste this here. Okay, again copy, paste this here. Okay, so we will have to work upon this. Okay, let's title is done, legends, we have legends text, so it would be our text color, fill value, text color. Okay, done. Similarly for here, more colors for this color code, done. So this is also done. So what we are going to do, copy and paste this here. So here this is also implemented. Here also we can go ahead and we can check the x-axis color code and y-axis color code. So just we have to select, we have to act the way we have worked upon for this one, clustered column chart. Okay, so see this, it is reflecting. Now we have to work upon here also, fill value, okay, switch theme, text color. Okay, done. Now we have to go for y-axis, similar activities, values, this, fill value, text color, done. Now let's go for title. So select this color, fill value, and text color. So we are done, almost done. Now slicer part is left, so let's click here, slicer part. Okay, and we have text, so I'm going to select as text, click OK. Now that is reflecting. Values, for the values also we can go ahead and we can, font color is there, so we can select this is the color, this is reflecting, right? Now we can copy this, paste this, similarly here also. Okay, Now here also we can say background color, size and style. So let's make it off. Okay, now we can go ahead and we can select visual border is also selected. So title color would be, we can select from here. Done. Okay, so this is how it is reflecting. Now let's walk upon this little bit, call out values, and here values we have, so we are going to make it 10. Okay, and fx color, we can select the text color from here only, fill values, switch theme, text color, make it okay. Done. Similarly for labels. Okay, so we are going to click on this, let's select fill value, and we have switch theme, text color. Okay, so done, both are done. Now we can go ahead and we can change the background color for this as well. Okay, size and style, so background color is off, visual border is okay. Now we can check other things. We can select the background from here also, background. Okay, done. Right, now here also switch theme, so I'm going to implement the background color and text color. Okay, so we have this, make it off, this is implemented. Now we have to go for slicer header, so slicer header text would be our standard one, this, and then go for text color. Done. And similarly for values also, we can go ahead and we can change the values color code. So directly I can select this one, no problem. Now this logic is implemented. If I go ahead with dark, so see this, switch theme, it is working, right? Switch theme, it is working. Accordingly background is getting changed and visualization visual is getting changed, right? So you can make it the way you want to have, the way you want to see this. Okay, we can enlarge this one till here. Okay, this one also we can select this. Done. So this is how you can implement the switch theme functionality, and with one click see this visualization is getting changed, right? So that's all about it, and I'll put this in an Excel sheet link in description box. Okay, and so that you can use them and you can do the practice at your end. So that's all about it. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.